Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration of the pickling wash. So as you guys know, I picked this up a while back from Hobby Lobby when they had the clearance for $1.50, but you can purchase those. They still have them there. They're $5.99. They may not have some of these colors available, but I had actually already purchased this one like a year ago. And I really did love it. So that's why I went ahead and had picked these up. But I do want to show you guys how to use them just in case you guys have not seen them and don't really know how they work. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what color that you want to do. You can do several colors, or if you could just pick out whatever you want to do. All right, so what this does is it gets a wash of transparent color. So I've got a few pieces of wood here for us to try on. So I've got some wood and foam brush, but you can use paint brushes, whatever you want to use. And what you want to do is shake it up really well. So first we're going to start with this. This is Coral Beauty. So let's run through some colors really quick first. So Coral Beauty, this is Cottage White. And if you look, it shows you what the wood grain is going to look like on the top and on the side. This one is Haze. We have Celadon and Soil. I love this one. This one reminds me of a mustard yellow. This is probably one of my favorites. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the Coral Beauty first. And I'm going to shake it up. We're going to open it up. Now, when you first open these, they have a seal on them. You're just going to go ahead and pull that off. Now, I'm going to pull mine all the way off because I'm going to go ahead and just dip my brush. I'm going to just dip my brush right inside. When you open it up, it looks just like this. So what I'm going to do is just dip right in. So it's really watery. So I'm just going to dip my foam brush right inside. I've got my wood. Like I said, this is just an old piece of barn wood, and I haven't done anything, sanded it or anything. This is what's best, like a nice porous piece of wood. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and take your brush and just kind of brush it on there. So I'm going to do just a portion of this so I can show you. I'm going to do the whole thing, and then I'm going to go over one side of it twice to show you. It actually tells you should go over it at least twice, but I'm going to show you the difference in the effects once you go over it again. So what you're going to do, and you want to leave this for at least 30 seconds. So just like that, a nice even layer. And then what you're going to do is leave it for 30 seconds, and then you're going to come back with a clean cloth and wipe it off. What I like to use is just a paper towel. You can use an old wash rag that you have designated for your crafts, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to use the paper towel. We're going to at least leave it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and start wiping. Once it's been 30 seconds, you're going to take your paper towel, and you're just going to wipe it. Just like that. So there is one coat. It takes about an hour to dry, and you want to let it set for 24 hours. It cures in 24 hours. All right, so this is one coat. So now we're going to go over it again for the second. So you're just going to dip it in, and we're going to go back over. So you just want to do as many coats until you get the effect that you want. Once again, you're going to leave this for another 30 seconds and then come back and wipe it again. So after 30 seconds, you're going to do the same thing, just wiping it again. All right, just like that. So this is what the Coral Beauty will look like. So you can see the before and after. So it's got that nice, really pretty pink color there. I really like this one. So let's go ahead and try out another color. All right, so this is my piece of wood that all right, so we're gonna go ahead and use these stencils here. These are by Hazel Ruby, and I had also gotten these off the clearance. This is the Blue Screen Alpha stencil mask, and like I said, they're by Hazel and Ruby. I'm just showing this as an example because you can cut stuff out with your Cricut, your Silhouette, or any stencils that you may have. So what I want to do is write out the word love. So I'm going to get these down. And these stencils right here are reusable. Try to do like a rainbow effect just so we can see like all the different colors. So let's go ahead and do that. So I think this is what it looks like. I think it would be cool to either come back with like a knife and kind of really clean up these edges, or a wood burner, or come back in with like acrylic paint of some color and come in and fill that in. I think that'd be super cool. So I love how that came out. It's able to kind of show you the different colors and how it works with the stencils. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.